Now we shall discuss about the concept of hybridization. Concept of hybridization. So this can be defined as spontaneous intermixing of atomic orbitals of approximate energies to form spontaneous intermixing of atomic orbitals of approximate energies to form orbitals of similar energy or intermixing of different atomic orbitals of an atom and reshuffling of electrons. In organic chemistry, we come across three types: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. So let me discuss about sp hybridization. So here one s and one p orbital of an atom intermix. So this is s orbital, spherically symmetrical, and this is a p orbital which is dumbbell in shape. So these two, when undergo hybridization, you will get sp hybridization, in which s character is 50% and p character is 50%. So here the characteristics are bond angle is 180 degrees. Bond angle is 180 degrees and the shape of molecule is linear. Now I would like to explain about the example of sp hybridization. Example of sp hybridization. So it takes place in alkanes. It takes place in alkynes. Alkynes are characterized by the general formula CnH2n minus 2. The primary member is acetylene. Its IUPAC name ethine. So this is carbon atom with atomic number 6 Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is electron structure by box method. On excitation, the number of unpaired electrons are 4. So only 2 orbitals will undergo hybridization, sp hybridization. One s orbital. This is s orbital, p orbital, p orbital, p orbital, px, py, and pz. But only these two will intermix, sp and sp. So these two will remain unhybridized. S character 50% and p character 50%. If you take the carbon atom, so this is one sp2 hybrid or sp hybrid orbital. This is another hybrid orbital of sp. They form a sigma bond. A sigma bond is formed always between the hybridized orbitals. So now another sigma bond is formed linearly by the overlapping of s orbital of hydrogen atom. So this is carbon, and this is hydrogen. So this is another sigma bond. So how many sigma bonds now? 3 sigma bonds. So every carbon atom has got 2 unhybridized p orbitals. When they undergo overlap to form 2 pi bonds. In this way, there are, so this is carbon structural formula. This one sigma, sigma and sigma. This is pi bond. Here another pi bond. So in this way, the carbon has got 1 sigma bond and 3 pi bonds. So there is a triple bond. There is a triple bond between two carbon atoms. So now the shape of the molecule is linear and the bond angle is 180 degrees. Bond angle 180 degrees. Shape is, the shape of the molecule is linear. There are sigma bonds are 3 and pi bonds are 2. This is about the sp hybridization, and the concept of hybridization is imaginary.